Most students don't need motivation, they need a system. Because if motivation worked, that 47th productivity video would have fixed your life already. But it didn't. So instead of watching another one, I built my own weekly planner live. This is vibe coding. And yeah, this might actually fix your life. If you are in college, job hunting, or in your first job, you already know the problem. Too many tasks, zero clarity, and somehow no real progress. That's not laziness, that's bad structure. Here's a wild fact: around 70 to 75% of modern apps today are built using low code or no code tools. Not by 10x developers in hoodies, but by regular people who got tired of messy systems. Another fun one: most people don't fail because they are bad at work. They fail because they don't know what to work on next. And yeah, Notion exists. So do 500 templates you will never open again. Because most people don't need more features, they need better decisions. So today I am building a weekly planner app, simple, clean, designed like a career operating system. By the end of this video, you won't just steal the system, you will see how this can become a real world SaaS product. Even if you have never written a single line of code, let's build. So, hi, this is your Career OS. We don't chase motivation, we build systems. Now, let's vibe code. Rule number one: clarity over complexity. This planner has only 5 things because your brain isn't a startup dashboard. Number one: priority tagging. Not urgent versus important, but does this actually move my career forward? Number two, weekly view. Daily plans lie. Weekly plans expose patterns. Number three, quick notes for students because ideas hit during lectures and disappears by lunch. A chatbot for assistance, not to think for you, but to help you think clearly. Carry forward logic. No task disappears. It either gets done or it stares at you next week like, yeah, you ignored me. I am building this with anti gravity, and this part matters. I am not asking AI what to build, I am showing it how I think. AI doesn't replace thinking, it amplifies it. And so, anti gravity helps me structure the app, think through features, turn messy ideas into working systems. That's vibe coding. You guide the thinking, and AI handles the execution. Now, look at this. This is here where Career OS is different. Student plan tasks, professionals plan energy. Instead of asking, what do I have to do? You ask, what actually moved my career forward this week? Most people never ask that. That's why they stay busy and stuck. Here's the brutal part I love. No task disappears. It either gets done or it confronts you the next week. Progress doesn't come from motivation, it comes from honest feedback. So now let's start. So we will start by building the prototype. And here we will give instruction to the AI agent. You can get the prompt from the description box given below. It's easily available. Now, this is just a prototype, but you could easily add some skills trackers, resume systems, job prep dashboards, anything. Now, here I have added few sections like today's focus will point the pending tasks, and here the AI planner that you can get actually gets a structured schedule for your subjects dedicatedly. And there is also a section, as you can see, from quick notes. You can get notes simply by uploading your materials. Moving on to the next, here also we can see a meeting section where you can schedule your meetings. And so this is the final one. And then suddenly, this isn't a planner, it's a product. This is how creators build leverage. This is how systems become income. You don't need to be a developer. Low code tools, AIs, and simple logic. That's enough to start. The tool is optional, but the system isn't. This is version 1 of Career OS. If this video helped you think better, not just feel motivated, do subscribe. We are not hustling here, we are building careers that actually work. See you in the next build.